Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to unbox this toy that we bought from Flying Tiger. So you won't believe guys that this only costs about €5, right? So because there's a deal right now with Flying Tiger, everything is €5. So
Maximum of 5
maximum of 5
euro.
euro, right? So this, as you can see, it's a big box of hockey table, board table, air hockey. So those who are fond of playing hockeys, this is your chance to go to the nearest Flying Tiger. Yes, this is really a good deal, guys. Look at the
It's only March 18.
yeah, until March 18th. So guys, look at that. For €5, I can't even right. Yeah. Alright. So guys, here it is. For €5. Wow, good quality. Made of good wood. Yeah, looks nice and it's really a good quality, guys. And this has, I think, battery. Alright, so it's like you're in an arcade, so you don't need to go to an arcade just to play this hockey. Alright, so what do we have here? So these are the
Here.
what do you call that? So I think we still need to assemble it, right? So yeah, so I think we still need to assemble it, but yeah, it comes with a base, I think, and of course so these are your your hockeys. All right, so guys, this is the scoreboard as well. Scoring tool with the manual. So again guys, these are all from what's that?
Flying Tiger.
Flying Tiger for only
5.
€5. You can already have this what do you call that, hockey table or hockey board. All right, so again, thanks for watching guys. Till our next vlog. Bye bye.
Say bye.
Bye bye.